Here we come to the elevator at the TMC Rincon medical offices in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Kone EcoDisc. I think this elevator just broke. I think that elevator on the left side, I think it just broke on us.
Okay, I'm glad this one's working.
Alright, I was just telling that facilities guy it broke. Here we go on one. This thing.
Quiet to the voice.
Okay, yep, capacity 3,500 pounds.
First floor.
Here somewhere.
What's up?
Anyways, oh, we're going up.
Come on up.
Which floor?
2.
That elevator on the left literally just broke on us.
No. Oh my gosh. Yeah,
It wouldn't open.
We were initially trying to go down on that one, but second floor. Wow.
You probably need to let the people know that this is broken.
Yeah. Thank you.
Let's go down to 1. Look at our cab view.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was weird.
This one is actually kind of smooth.
Yeah, it is pretty smooth. This one runs pretty good.
I think I can barely feel that.
Yeah.
And its leveling is really quick.
Yeah, let's watch the classic leveling.
It's not
No
pure, but
class.
it's just intelligent leveling.
Really good. Anyways, there it goes. That's the voice. This has the voice. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it, because this one just broke on us. Anyways, that's it.